Kion walked through the tall grass of the Pride Lands, the morning sun warm against his fur. The lion guard followed close behind, chatting easily after a long night of patrol. But something felt wrong. The animals they passed lowered their eyes, whispering instead of greeting them. Even the birds circling above seemed tense. Kion slowed down, heart tightening. Something was happening, something he didn't yet understand. As they approached Pride Rock, a crowd of lions stood gathered, murmuring. Simba, Nala, and the royal advisors stood at the front, too, and in the center of the group, glaring at Kion with a cold, sharp intensity, stood Jango, a strong young lion from the Pride, known for his confidence and pride in tradition. Jango stepped forward. So, the great leader of the Lion Guard finally arrives. Kion blinked. Jango, what's going on? Jango's tail lashed. What's going on is that everyone is tired of your reckless decisions. You put the Pride Lands in danger with your roar. You act before you think, and we're the ones who deal with the consequences. The Pride murmured louder. Kion felt heat rising in his chest, not anger hurt. That isn't true. We protect the Pride Lands every day. Jango cut him off. Protect. You've nearly destroyed the waterhole last week. You scared the herds with your roar. And yesterday, a cub almost got hurt trying to follow you on patrol. Simba stepped in. Jango enough. But Jango wasn't finished. If Kion can't control himself, how can he lead? How can we trust him? Bunga stepped beside Kion. Hey, Kion's the bravest guy we know. He would never hurt anyone on purpose. Jango scoffed. Bravery without wisdom is just danger with claws. Kion felt the words strike deeper than he expected. He looked around. Some lions looked unsure. Some actually agreed with Jango. The doubt cut him more than any wound. Simba turned to Kion gently. Is there truth in what he says? Kion's breath trembled. I've made mistakes. But everything I do is for the Pride Lands. Jango stepped closer. Then prove it. Step down as leader. Let someone stronger, someone more responsible take your place. The Pride went silent. Kion stared at him, stunned. Step down after everything he'd worked for, everything he'd learned. He felt Ono's wing rest on his shoulder. Kion whispered, "Why are you doing this, Jango?" Jango's eyes flickered, not with anger, but something else. The Pride needs a leader who doesn't lose control. Leader who doesn't have to rely on some ancient weapon to command respect. You're dangerous, Kion. The accusation echoed through Kion's mind. Dangerous. His throat tightened. Memories flashing, the roar shaking the earth, animals running, his own fear of losing control. Maybe Jango was right. Maybe he wasn't fit to lead. He looked at Simba. Dad, maybe someone else should. Simba immediately stepped forward. No, Kion leadership isn't about being perfect, it's about learning, growing, and facing challenges, even unfair ones. Jango growled. So you're protecting him, even when he endangers us? Nala stepped forward calmly. Jango, leadership challenged with anger becomes ambition. Leadership challenged with wisdom becomes growth. Which one are you seeking? The question struck Jango visibly, but he didn't back down. Kion took a deep breath and slowly moved to face Jango alone. If you think I'm not worthy to lead, then let me prove I am. Not with a roar, not with power, but with who I am. Kion stepped closer. A leader isn't someone who never makes mistakes. And I choose to protect you, Jango, even if you don't believe in me. Jango froze. His confident expression cracked. If you think I don't respect the Pride Lands, walk with me today. See what I see. Help me face the dangers we face. Then judge me. Jango opened his mouth, but no sound came out. His tail lowered slightly. Simba nodded proudly. That is leadership. Jango looked around, realizing all eyes were on him now. He swallowed hard. I just wanted to keep the Pride safe. Kion stepped closer, voice warm. Then we want the same thing. Jango's shoulders dropped. His anger faded, replaced by guilt and uncertainty. He bowed his head slightly. Kion, I'm sorry. I let my fear speak louder than reason. Kion smiled softly. Fear is something we all face. Even me, Beshte added gently. That's why we stick together. Slowly, Jango lifted his head. If you'll have me, I'd like to learn from you. Kion nodded, then walk with us. As a friend, through pride relaxed. Simba exchanged a warm look with Nala. The tension lifted from the air like a passing storm. As the lions drifted back to their duties, Kion looked out over the Pride Lands, the wind brushing his mane. He had faced betrayal, doubt, and fear, but he had not fallen. He had risen. Bunga nudged him playfully. Guess you're pretty good at this leader thing after all, huh? Kion laughed softly. I'm trying. The lion guard stood beside him, united as ever. And somewhere deep within the breeze, Kion could almost hear Mufasa's voice. Well done, my son. Kion smiled toward the sky. Leadership wasn't about power. It wasn't about being right. It was about heart. And his heart had never been stronger.